Can you lose custody just because you relocate out of state? My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates, and our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. I mean, just picking up and leaving the state is not something that you can do without permission of the court. When I say not something that you can do, I mean not something you can do and take the kids with you. You want to leave, God bless, nobody cares. You're an adult, go wherever you want. But if you want to take the kids with you, you're going to need to ask permission, because the removal of the children from the jurisdiction could implicate all sorts of things. It could impact the custody, it could impact the joint legal custody, it might impact parenting time. There's a whole bunch of things that are necessary before you move out of state to ensure the court that everything's in compliance. So you just can't pick up and leave. And if you do, if you say, well, I have custody, so I'm moving to Indiana, and you pick up and you go to Indiana, well, you can expect a bunch of things. If the other person is at all involved with seeing the kids, you can expect nasty phone calls. You can expect them to light up your phone in that regard. But more importantly than that, you can expect motions to be filed demanding that the children be returned to the jurisdiction, and maybe even asking for custody. And the theory would be, look, we work together on a joint situation, but this person unilaterally picks up and leaves, takes the kids away from a parent, takes the kids away from school, takes the kids away from their own social circle. They don't even get a chance to say goodbye. You up and leave. You can expect a motion to change custody. And you know what? You're going to have some very, very difficult questions to answer when the court starts getting involved in why you did this and why you did that, and what makes you think you can just flout the court's order, to violate the court's order, and you don't even ask permission to leave? What makes you think you can do that? So it's better not to do that. It's better to ask permission than forgiveness. So therefore, if you want to leave, you should be filing the appropriate motion to change the legal residence of the children. You want to change the legal domicile where the kids live. And you know what? In order to do that, the court has to conduct a hearing, and there's all sorts of things that have to be proven to the court so that the court can make that decision on your behalf. And if you can bring those proofs to bear, the court will probably react favorably. Even if they react favorably, expect that there's going to be some changes. There's going to be some changes in what the parenting time looks like. Why? Because you just created a situation where the routine availability of the children for parenting time no longer exists. You can't go every other day, even every other weekend, depending where you go, might not work. So expect to have to participate in transportation costs to bring those children back for parenting time. And B, expect that, you may not have to have the children go during, let's say, the academic year to visit their other parent, but you may lose all the vacation time. That's every Christmas, every New Year's, every summer. You may lose a part of all of that time, if not all that time completely. So you need to be aware that those are consequences. If you have any questions about that, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.